Hi for this. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this simple spinach sauce, which you can, by the way, pair it with either tuwon shinkafa, rice, pasta, yam, pounded yam, semo, anything. So in my pot, I'm going to add some vegetable oil. In that, I'll be adding ginger and garlic, minced ginger and garlic, and some onions. We're going to fry that a bit until it is translucent and the aroma is popping everywhere. Then in that, I'm going to add in my pepper mix. You're going to closely blend this. You don't want it to be smooth, so add that and mix in very well, as you can see in the video. So you're going to fry this for until it's fried, just like you make your stew. So I covered that and allow it for some minutes, and going to check now to see if it's done. So I checked, and there's no visible water in my sauce, and my pepper mix is well fried. This is very important when making this sauce. So at this junction, I'm going to add in my proteins. I'm adding some more, which is cow skin, some bones, shaki, beef, and all I have in my fridge. I'll be adding in some crayfish powder and of course my beef stock. If you don't have beef stock, you can totally omit that. And then I'll be adding in some water, just to balance everything. So I'm going to give that a good mix and then cover again and allow it to cook for some few minutes. Here I'm adjusting my seasoning. I'm adding some salt, seasoning cubes, and some curry. I don't know if you know curry. I believe everyone in Nigeria does. So here's my curry. Give everything a good mix. You don't want too much water in the sauce because the spinach itself contains water, so you don't want to end up with a pot with too much water. So here I'm adding some thyme, and then I'll be covering this to cook for a few minutes, just so everything is well infused and all that. So when you start to see oil floating on top, then you know it's ready to add in your spinach. So I washed my spinach with salt and water, and I'm going to add this into my pot of salt. The reason why you need to wash your vegetables with salt is because you need to just kill all those bacteria, germs, and all that. I don't know, but you need to wash your veggies very well. So after adding my spinach, I'm just going to cover. If I'm not covering, I will just give it a time to just, the heat will just make it, Yanima da Hausa, the heat will make it irin ya taushi ne ko ne. I don't know how to explain this honestly. So I just cover my part, and it will just shrink, or I don't know, reduce in size. So here I'm adding some chopped onions. You can totally omit this step, especially if you don't like onions, and give everything a good mix. Cover and allow it to cook for a few minutes, but keep in mind you don't want to overcook your spinach. Trust me, spinach gets cooked easily, so you don't want to overcook it by killing all the nutrients in it. Just give it a few minutes. If it's for me, 1 minute tops, 2 minutes, my spinach is ready. So just stir everything, cover and allow it to cook. As you can see now in the video, there is no water in this sauce. But trust me, once I cover the pot, the water from the spinach will just fill in the pot and your sauce is saucy. So give everything a good mix. As you can see already my sauce is ready. Like I said earlier, you can pair this with yam, semo, tuwon shinkafa, even masa. You can use this sauce with. I actually paired mine with rice, so you can just use any other option to enjoy this delicious sauce. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and of course, for more detailed recipe, follow me on Instagram because I'm more active on Instagram and I normally post the complete written recipe in my captions. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do so and I will see you on my next one. Bye!